To buy stocks on Fidelity, you will first need to create an account if you do not already have one. Go to the Fidelity website and click on the Open an Account button. Then follow the prompts to provide the required information. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. Once your account is set up and funded, you can begin buying stocks. Log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trade page. From here, you can search for the stock you want to buy by entering the company name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Select the stock you want to buy from the search results, and then click on the Buy button. You will then be taken to the order entry page, where you can enter the number of shares you want to buy and the price you are willing to pay. You can choose from several different order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute if the stock reaches a certain price. A stop-loss order will automatically sell your stock if it falls to a certain price. After you have entered your order, review it carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then, click on the Place Order button to submit your order. Your order will be executed, and you will become the owner of the stock. You can then monitor your investment and make adjustments as needed. It is also important to understand the different types of stock orders and the fees associated with buying stocks on Fidelity. Fidelity does not charge commissions on most stock trades, but there may be other fees, such as management fees or mutual fund fees. You should also understand the concept of diversification and how to build a balanced portfolio. In addition to buying individual stocks, Fidelity also offers a range of other investment products, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and options. These products can provide a way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. However, they also come with their own set of risks and fees, so it is essential to do your research and understand what you are investing in before making a decision. By following these steps and doing your research, you can buy stocks on Fidelity and start building a portfolio that meets your investment goals. Remember to always review your orders carefully and understand the fees and risks associated with investing in the stock market.